Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine at home. Let's start with prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Now repeat after me. Bless me, God. To you I pray. Keep me happy night and day. Bless my mother and my father. Bless my family and my friends. Once again, good morning, children. Today we are going to revise capital letters and small letters from A to M, including phonic sound. A sounds A. A. A for apple, ant. B sounds B. B. B for boat, boy. C sounds K. K. C for cat, cup. D sounds D. D. D for dog, drum. E sounds A. A. E for egg, elephant. F sounds F. F for fish, frog. G sounds G. G. G for goat, grapes. H sounds H for hat, house. I sounds E. E. I for igloo, insect. J sounds J. J. J for jam, jug. K sounds K. K. K for kangaroo, kite. L sounds L. L. L for lamp, lion. M sounds M. M. M for monkey, mouse. Children, these are your worksheets. Trace the alphabets given and complete writing work in worksheet 2, worksheet 3 and worksheet 6 in your Pearls Worksheets book. If you didn't get your books, then practice in your notebook. You have lot of time to complete these worksheets as this is given for your whole week. Children, with the help of Pearl's textbook, Sem 1, you can revise alphabets given on page number 4. Children, we'll meet soon in our next class. Take care. Bye. Have a good day, children.